Hey guys, back with the live execution series, and today I'll be covering some longs that I took on ES. Now, price was very choppy, and I want to show you how I avoid some of this choppiness. So I'm not taking any losses, I'm simply entering. I might get a worse entry, a worse RR, but overall I'm protecting my risk, and I'm being very mindful of where I'm entering. So let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, we're very bullish. If you look at the 4 hour, we had this bullish 4 hour fair value gap. We had some other things down here that align with it as well. You have this order block. Okay, you can see that's the low. Doesn't get much prettier than that. I mean, from low to high, we're in discount. So yeah, very obviously bullish. We built up a bunch of this buy side. And the reason we're building all of this buy side is because price doesn't know where it's going yet. It has no intention. It's just building liquidity. Why does it have no intention? Well, Jay Powell's going to talk. He's going to talk about interest rates. So he talked at 8:40 EST. Have no clue what he said. I didn't pay attention to that. I just know price isn't going to move until he talks, until it digests whatever he says and it's able to move. Okay. So in here, I didn't take any trades. I didn't care to take any trades. Like, it's really not pretty. Okay. But when I see us start pushing through some of these highs, I want to see a market structure shift, a higher time frame market structure shift. Okay. 5 minute is fine. 5 minute is just right. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, so we take more sell side, Right here, we get an inversion. Okay, that's telling me that is our market structure shift. So that's telling me we're gonna capture some buy side right here, which it does through these highs. But overall, price makes a market structure shift as well through trading through these highs very cleanly. So when I wanted to look for a trade, it was right here. It was exactly when price was like this. I saw we had this new day opening gap. We come down and respect it. We also had, let's see. Yeah, we had a 1 minute fair value gap in here. Okay, so this is where I was looking for a trade. And then I was targeting these highs up here. Stop is going to be based on that new day opening gap because I expect price to hold to it. And yeah, that's literally the trade. So we're delivering from a 4 hour fair value gap. We have a bunch of buy side built up. And because our red folder news has hit, we know that we can be confident in a long-term move. And yeah, let's just get straight into that video. So I had already entered, price retraced right here. About 150 risk for 525. Remember entering on that new day opening gap. Right here, I was considering adding to NQ, but price just went without me, which is fine. So we start trading through those low resistance highs. At this point, I'm break even. Let's see. Okay, so NQ takes all of its buy side. Now I'm still pretty stuck, hard set that we're gonna trade through these highs on ES. Like, price has been waiting to do this all week, at least from Monday to Tuesday. Okay, so on the right side over here, I'm just paying attention to what price is doing. Honestly, if it goes to break even, I'm letting it go to break even at this point. So we just kind of consolidate. We create more buy side right here. I see this potential inversion right here. Okay, price inverts that. Then starts running again. Okay, so here's what I do. Here's how I trail my stop. So when we have a lot of momentum, there's a chance that we run to our target and we like absolutely smash it and keep going further. and it might run an extra 20, 30, 40, 50 points, you know? So what I like to do is I set my stop loss to my original target. My original target are these highs, but I see how much momentum we have, and I know that there's a potential chance that we keep just running, you know? So what do? I put my stop at my original profit target location. So the best case, the worst case scenario is I hit my original profit target. I'm not going to be mad about that. I can't be mad about that. Psychologically, like there's minimal logic here. There's nothing telling me is price coming back? Well, what is it doing? No, there's no logic. It's all psychology. Okay. I know I can't be mad if price comes back to my original profit target. I was correct. I knew where price was going, and I'm accepting that risk. Okay. So worst case scenario 518, best case scenario 768. What happens? Get a retracement. Cool. Not that big of a deal. So again, if you could learn anything from today, I hardly took any. I took one trade. I took one other trade this week. That was I showed you guys what that was. That was I believe it was a short in here yesterday. Anyways, I only took one other trade this week because I knew Jay Powell was going to speak, and I knew price action was going to look like this. Okay, I took a very specific trade because I knew price was not going to be clean during New York AM session. We were going to get one or two good setups, and that's what happened. We got only one or two good setups this week. Okay, sure, you could have entered all the way down here, but there's a good chance you got stopped out. So I got less points out of this, but overall my risk was a lot less. And if you could do that, then you're going to survive for the long run. And that's all I could teach you. Like you have to put that in force. You have to have that discipline to stop yourself from over trading, over leveraging. Like I could tell you that, and it's a matter of if you want to do that, if you want to take action. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was very short, very sweet, straight to the point. But I just wanted to drill those few things into your mind. My risk management, my stop loss, trailing stop loss tool, and then also the red folder news. How are you adjusting your risk to that? How are you adjusting your trading to that? So tomorrow we have 10 a.m. red folder. I will be looking for some trades right after 10 a.m. I'll try to send some analysis to the Telegram as well, show you where I think price is going. But overall, you guys take care. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Catch you later.